I just found the best crypto investment of the century, guys. The best deal ever. So you guys know how the Hivemapper released their new dash cam, and how it works is if you buy the Wi-Fi one, then it has to be connected to Wi-Fi and automatically upload for you. No longer have to connect it to your phone. And there's also another one that's a little more expensive that works on cellular data that will upload automatically, doesn't need to be connected to Wi-Fi, and you never need to use your phone, and it truly will become more passive rather than before where you had to connect to your phone and then upload the information. Well, I have a few different discounts that I learned about with the Hivemapper Dashcam, the new B unit that just released. So watch till the end before you consider buying it. So first, if you order before March 15th, then you will receive 4,000 honey bonus. So what this basically means is after you drive at 2,000 kilometers with the B in your car, you will unlock an airdrop of 4,000 bonus honey tokens. And that means at today's rate, where honey is worth about 20 cents per token, that you're going to get about $800 worth of honey tokens, which means once you drive that 2,000 kilometers, then you are going to be paying off the Hivemapper. Now keep in mind that this expires March 15th, so buy soon, but I have more deals for you. So my sponsor, Cosmic Equipment, actually reached out to me and said, hey, Matt, I'm going to give your viewers not only the 4,000 bonus honey tokens that they order before March 15th, but before and after March 15th, I'm also willing to give them $20 off if they order from my website. So use code MattLongViewers to get $20 off the listed price on the Cosmic Equipment website. So not only that, but you can get an additional $10 off if you sign up using my link down below to their rewards program. And then if you want to use that $10 to maybe buy some tea and coffee instead, then definitely use my code buy two get one free on tea and coffee from Matt. Now there's one more deal that Cosmic Equipment is offering you guys if you purchase from their website. They have plenty of different things that aren't crypto related, but they do have a demo or a Motus if you are interested in mining with your car, since you're already mining with the B. Or if you're interested in buying a Weather XM or a Helium hotspot, then definitely use code MattLong6 to get 5% off anything else you buy from their store. So I'm actually going to buy the B right now, so I might as well show you how to use the coupons. So it's before March 15th in my case, so I'm eligible for the 4,000 honey bonus. So I got that secure, but if it's after March 15th while you're watching this, don't worry, the rest of this still applies to you. So the next thing we're going to do is click the link in the description so that way you can sign up for Cosmic Equipment's rewards program. It should pop up down here, put in your email and claim your gift. Then you should receive an email discount. So now we can copy and paste this. Now that you're part of the reward system, keep in mind that you can earn yourself even more discounts. So if you go follow them on their socials and stuff like that, you can actually earn more stars to get yourself more discounts in the future. So now let's go ahead and buy the B. Now I'm personally going to buy the cellular version of the B. So that means that no matter where I am, as long as it has cellular connection, it will upload all the photos for me instead of having to connect it to my phone. Now they do have the Wi-Fi version, however Cosmic Equipment has not gotten that in stock yet, but when they do, keep in mind that that model requires you to connect the Hivemapper to Wi-Fi. So that means you could hotspot it from your phone, or you can connect it your home Wi-Fi if your car is close enough to reach the Wi-Fi signal. So I'm going to add the cellular version to my car. So now it's in my car. I'm also going to buy some coffee and tea. So let's see what they got. So let's add one of these. And I also wanted to try their sample. Yeah, sample pack of a lot of different flavors. I think Heidi would like this one, so I'm gonna get this sample pack. Bestseller sample pack. Oh, nice. That's exactly what I want. Ooh, that comes with a lot. All right. Let's add that. And then it's buy two, get one free. So we're going to try the other sample pack as well. So here's everything in my cart. Let's go ahead and click checkout. And after you click checkout, this is where you put in the discount code. So first, let's go ahead and copy and paste the code we got for joining the rewards program using my link in the description. Nice. So next, let's put in the code for the buy two, get one free coffee or tea. And then let's put in the coupon for the Hivemapper Bee. Nice. Now, if you had something else in your cart, say, for example, here's a phone case, you could also use my code MattLong6 to get additional 5% off of only that item. Now, I've gone ahead and gotten rid of the phone case and the discount codes because I'm not supposed to use my own discount codes, and the referral code doesn't apply to me because it only works on your very first order. And I've ordered with them before. And that brings us to our final discount. If you order with Cosmic Equipment, you get free shipping on orders of $75 or more. So you can see that applied right here. And keep in mind that if you would have purchased from Hivemapper from their own website, they would charge you $15 just in shipping. Now guys, I'm going to go ahead and complete this order real quick. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to get the bee. And guys, be sure to subscribe because once I receive the bee, I'm going to be recording a video of me unboxing it and reviewing the bee. And then I'll be sure to continue my monthly live streams, which is the first Saturday of the month, where I share with you guys how much money the Hivemapper Dashcam has been making me, as well as the demo and my healing hotspot and multiple other DePIN projects. And if you guys are excited to receive your bee like I am, then definitely go check out my other Hivemapper videos where I share with you all my experience about Hivemapper so far with one of their older models. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always guys, stay safe, trade safe, and God bless. Peace. Through my and some tips and trips and some trips and tips.